And welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Today we have a Stitch Fix, and if you don't know what Stitch Fix is, it is a clothing styling service where you get clothes shipped to your house and you try them on, and what you don't like, you ship it back. There is a playlist down below with all kinds of information if you really don't know what Stitch Fix is, but let's get into this box. So you open up your box and you get your little letter in here. I will post that up in one of the corners so you can see it, but you also get a styling card that just kind of gives you ideas of how to wear these outfits if you need that sort of boost or help. You get your invoice with Stitch Fix. If you keep all 5 items, you get 25% off of your entire order. There is a styling fee depending on how you do it. You can either do the monthly styling fee or you can do the yearly pass. I would suggest doing the yearly pass, but either way, the money that you paid actually goes towards your fix, so it's a win-win. I will have a link down below if you are interested. I believe that I have a link right now that if you sign up, you actually get $50 towards your first fix, and then I also get $50 towards my next fix, so that is also a win-win. Let's see. You get a bag with a return shipping label. Anything you don't keep, just put it in the bag, put it in the mail. There you go. I did ask my stylist for a mix of date night wear and comfort wear just for lounging or going for drives or what have you. So let's dig into it and see what's in here. First up, we have the Miriam Laser Cut Knit Dress by Jessica Howard in navy and a size 4 for $88. I think that this is a cute dress. I think that it's a sophisticated dress. I do like the length of it. I'm just not entirely sure I like how buttoned up it is. I prefer V-necks or at least a lower cut neckline. I don't like to feel so buttoned up, but I do think it's cute, and I do own dresses like this. I just don't own a lot of dresses like this, so it'll go in the maybe pile. Next, we have by Gal Meets Glam Collection, Desiree Bow Back in Burgundy in a size 4 for $138. Now, again, this is a dress that doesn't have any stretch, so I will have to size up, so please don't mind the fact that it doesn't fit me right, but you can tell it's just too tight across my bosoms. It's way too tight across here. You can see how the material is buckling up on the sides, and that is because it is too tight. But I do love the spinny, and it has pockets, and I think the bow detail in the back is absolutely adorable. This dress is going to definitely go in the maybe pile. Next, we have the Garima Asymmetrical Cold Shoulder Top by Gold Ray in Burgundy in a size small for $48. This top is really soft and it's really form-fitting. It's just not my thing. I would not feel comfortable. I feel like this sticks to me way too much, and I don't like the way that that feels, if that makes sense. I like my shirts to be a little more breathable. I like them to be a little looser fitting, I guess. I do prefer to wear looser on the top, tighter on the bottom, just a personal preference. So this top is going to be a no for me.
Okay.
And next up, we have the Bowie 3/4 Sleeve Dolman Net Top by Layla Jade in a green and a size small for $58. I would have never thought this was green. I would have thought it was a blue or maybe a blue-green. This top is more my speed as far as loose fitting, but I'm not a huge fan of the dolman sleeve. I don't like the big baggy under the arms. If it would have been more of like an off-the-shoulder top, which it says that it can be, but I don't think that that really looks right like that. So this top I think is going to have to be a no for me. Last but not least, we have the Gabriela Performance Midi something by Beyond Yoga in a dark gray and a size small for $97. These leggings are really, really, really soft, but they are too tight for me. I am not a huge, it takes a lot for me to be able to wear something super, super tight. And these just aren't for me. I don't know if it's just because of the weather, but they are so soft. Okay, everybody, that was my Stitch Fix. I think out of this I'm just going to keep the burgundy dress. I'll pin it up in the corner, but I am going to have to size up, so I will only keep it if they have it in my size. I'll know when I go to check out. That's it. That was my Stitch Fix. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Hope you it took you a minute out of your day and spent some time with me, and I hope that you enjoy the rest of your week. Bye.